Hey G Squad, welcome back to my episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we got this cool mid right here, and basically what this is some AirTag cases. If you see the one that we got right here is from this brand right here, and this one comes in a pack of 4 of them. Let me actually open it up to show you guys what the product looks like first. Alright, so once you take it out, this is what the product looks like. So you see right here, they probably got 2 green color ones and then 2 black ones. If you see in the back right here, they probably got the keychain as well. So you guys want to take that out as well to put it onto the actual case. But all of them are basically the same thing. So I'm actually take out one of each color to show you guys what it actually looks like. Alright, so once we take it out, this is what the product looks like. So here is the green one and then here is the black one. And when we turn around to the back, you guys can see this is what it actually looks like in the back. So the back part is fully covered and it's not open, where the front side it is open. And we guys see the material on here is silicone material. And right here we do have the keychain. So how it works is that you guys want to just hook it inside right here. Just like that. And definitely hang it onto your keys or keychains or whatever. And right here, you can see I do have my AirTag. So I'm actually put it together to show you guys how it looks like. So let's start with the green one right here first. I want to take this part out. And then what we want to do is just slip it inside, since it is like a silicone material. Alright. So once you put it inside, this is what the product looks like. You can see the product is fully covered except for the front part. And that is where one of these comes in handy, which is actually included in each one of these AirTag cases. So it's basically like a cover you guys can put on top. So you just want to slip it inside. So when you guys slip it in, it might be a little bit hard for you guys to slip it in. But you definitely just take your time to slowly slip it in. So once you slip it in, this is what the product looks like. So that way you guys also get the protection in the front. So that way it won't get scratches. Let me actually put on the other one as well. Alright. So once you guys fully set up both of them, this is what the product looks like. If you see the product definitely looks pretty nice, and you definitely have that full-on protection throughout the product and also in the front as well. Because of the extra cover that they provide for you guys, that is actually really cool as well. So this is what the product looks like once you guys fully set it up. If you can see, it definitely looks and feels pretty nice. But now to go unboxing and testing product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this AirTag case, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want one of these warranties. Especially if you guys are trying to look for a high quality AirTag case that looks exactly like the one that I see right here, where you give you guys the cover on the outside and also for the front as well, and also the keychain option as well. Then I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys, so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.